Touch. Next time he'll think before he cheats. Hey y'all, Xavier here, and today we're gonna watch First Kill is a show about monster hunters and vampires. So, Netflix recommended this to me today, and which is interesting because I was put on to it like last week. I think it was last week or whatever. Recently, because of a tweet I saw, which I'm gonna show somewhere, and you know they were saying the tweeter was saying about how like they put really hard work into this and they wanted people to see it, and it was filmed at a low budget, and so for season two, if lots of people watch it, they can get a bigger budget and all that. And so I'm thinking this was a quote tweet of the trailer for the season. So I figured, you know what, it was a trailer. It was a featurette. It's a trailer thing. It was a whatever. It was a first look. Yeah, basically that. It was a first look. So I watched it. Seemed interesting, and so I figured vampires, monster hunters, star-crossed lovers. Why not? Could be good, could be bad, but seemed like it'd be a good time either way. And so there's not really much to say except what the description says here. Fall in love is tricky for teens. Juliet and Calliope, one's a vampire, the other's a vampire hunter, and both are ready to make their first kill. So it's like basically a vampire and a monster hunter version of Romeo and Juliet, the Montagues and the Capulets, star-crossed lovers, all that, the classic theme. And this time it's vampires involved. Vampires again, but I'm gonna give it a chance and let's see how it stacks up. Alright, let's get into it. Drugs and making out. Great start. Oh, okay. Great start to the show. This prelude to a vampire kill. Oh, it's a dream. Okay.
That was a crazy one.
Vampire with red. Is that red lipstick?
I think I'm gonna go a little bit insane.
Good morning, darling.
Sleep well?
Sure.
Yeah, red lipstick. A vampire. Okay.
It's been 3 weeks since your birthday. We know you're nervous, but we both think that it's time you... Morning. Morning. Eleanor, have you been out all night? If I'm home now, does it really matter?
It does when you work for me.
Have I ever been late? Eleanor, my role
Her
model.
sister?
One day I too will be a self-confident, bull by the horns kind of girl who doesn't give a shit what my parents think.
Another kind of relative.
We'll come back to these.
Well, those are blood capsules to stave off the vampire habit.
That isn't your color. Sorry.
Much better, sweet little. One day I am going to kill him.
I would never allow that.
Oh yeah, I definitely believe her that she would kill him for real. Next time we'll think before he cheats.
Ken Wheeler is the kind of boy you fall in love with. We dated for a month when we were 12.
before we both figured out, well,
Oh,
what
okay.
we really wanted.
Alright then.
Now he's the cool kid, the star athlete who gets invited to all the parties. And I'm popular by association.
Hey man, if it works, it works.
Bottom line, when I'm with Ben,
At least he didn't drop her
everyone-
when he became
my body is still changing and the headaches are still raging, but nobody
no,
knows.
popular. So
Because
that's
he makes me
good
feel
on him.
and look normal.
And fun and sexy, but I want
I like that for Ben. I like he did that.
to look. Far be it from me to stand in the way of quiet pining, but you know, you could just talk to her.
Yeah, he could do that.
I have.
I don't believe
Yeah,
you.
no, we've definitely
And Black said hi.
talked.
Sure there. Okay. I don't believe you.
Catch you later.
I know that. I know the feels. I know what she's going through. Yeah. That sounds like me. That definitely looks like me in high school. And sometimes now.
Oh, watch out!
Sorry. So sorry.
Wonder if she's gonna notice the pills.
Oh. Hi.
Hi. It's Juliet, right? We have English together.
Yeah. Yeah. And physics. And gym. You're Calliope?
Cal's good.
Why?
What?
Oh, I just mean I like Calliope. It's strange.
Oh, her name's Calliope, not Calliope. Okay.
Is it?
Classic? Classical?
You should meet my brothers Theseus and Apollo.
No, those are the actual names of it.
But there's a party tonight at Noah's. My friend Ben is making me go.
I'm not big on parties.
Me either. They're dumb. But I promised I'd go, so I'll be there. If you decide to go too, then maybe I'll see you.
Yeah. Okay.
Nicely done.
Tonight?
Okay.
Awesome. Great.
Nice.
See you there.
Nice.
Calliope.
But I guess I'll see you in English first.
Yes. Right. Mr. Porter. Hi.
Head gun. She's just like rambling. I get it. But well done.
I've always been sensitive. But it's getting worse. Every day, the world is a little sharper, a little louder.
Is this a vampire thing or a her thing? She's gone already, Ben. She's gone already. Oh yeah, it's something you can't touch. That's right, Bernty. What was it? Was it Silver? That they can't touch.
Pure silver.
A Monster Hunter, that's who. Really liking the music in this so far. Setting the mood nicely. I really appreciate it. Really like it.
Please tell me the night terms haven't started.
How are you feeling?
Feel great.
Well, I don't see why not.
Okay. You can unhand me now.
Yes. And every day that you refuse to embrace your nature, you are closer to the day where it controls you. The day that you kill recklessly because you simply must feed.
That makes sense.
What did you do this time, Jules?
And if you don't do the thing what they want you to do, then it's gonna, you gotta do it or else it's gonna overwhelm you. It's first skill because it's first skill for both Juliet and first skill for both
The kill just
Calliope.
kind of tips the scale.
Second, be prepared and always finish where you start. Okay. Heart stopper. On the nose.
Where's the host?
Check the patio. I love you guys.
Is she in the drinky already?
I'll find you later, okay?
Wait, what? No. I'm supposed to be your wing woman.
Yeah, and it's time for you to learn how to fly. So,
No,
fly, little bird.
no, Ben.
Isn't he a little too old for this? He looks like in his 30s. Go with her. What are you doing, man? Don't chicken out.
Hi.
Hi. Wow, okay. Any time, huh?
I don't know. She wanted wanted to do that. No wasting time.
That for a while now.
Oh yeah, you could tell. You could tell, man. You could tell.
To do it again?
She wants to do it again. That's Calliope. Calliope, sorry, I mean.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. First episode, we're getting this. Okay. Interesting. I like the angles they're using and the cinematography. Pretty nicely done. I know what I'm commenting on, but I appreciate it for what it is. I like what they're doing. Some good job, some good work. I don't think she did actually bite her. What?
I think a lot about how the world treats teenage girls. Like, everything.
Oh, okay. We're seeing everything from Calliope's angle now. Okay. First half of the episode was Juliet, and now it's Calliope. Okay, cool.
Smile politely. Every day I just go through the day so I can get back home.
Is that a tattoo?
So the only
Oh, I missed that. Oh, it's because she was covered up before. Okay. One of the tattoos related to her hunting.
Rituals, a sequence of important activities, gestures, words and actions performed in a sequestered place. In other words, get your narrow ass out my way so I can do my job right.
Sorry.
They don't interrupt the rituals that you stand in the way. Get out of the way, man. Move. I feel you, auntie. I feel you.
All your songs the same, homie, be different. I draw the play like X's and O's. You see me as tic tac tic toe. This not a game. I hope that you know I'm wavy my drip drag on the flow.
Why do you think they're showing up now?
Who cares? The guild sent us to kill him, so we kill him.
It's actually a great question, Kyle. It's good to know why you're doing the things you're asked to do.
Exactly.
We're monster hunters. That's why we do what we do.
No, it can't just be following or just finding like that.
25 years since the guild came through and cleaned up, and now they're just back? Strange, right?
Exactly.
No, that's strange it took them so long.
Oh.
Savannah's always been tough to keep clean. All those battles, all that bloodshed, centuries of violence and betrayal. Yeah, the cemetery we're going to now dates back nearly 3 centuries. Found a resting place of over 10,000 souls, including victims of the yellow fever epidemic and graves desecrated by Sherman's army.
That's your big brother's way of saying you can't keep a good Girl Scout.
Okay. Cheesy humor, but I like it. It was fun to me.
Hey, whoa, I don't think so.
Lookout? Again?
Lookout is a very vital part of the job.
Keeping you safe so Mom doesn't kill us.
One day, I'm going to be the greatest hunter who ever lived. These clowns will simply be known as my brothers. Theo was 12 when he made his first kill on a sweep with my dad.
Focus, son. Running out of time.
And Apollo? He was 14 when he got his shot.
Pretty good, son.
Me? I got my first chance last winter. And I failed.
Damn. That sucks.
When it comes to hunting monsters, there are 3 rules.
Pay attention to everything.
Okay.
Be prepared for anything.
Okay.
And always finish what you start.
Great. That's it. Those are similar to the rules for the that Eleanor said to Juliet. Huh. So they're all usually alike. No, you don't got this.
Damn, man.
Yeah, you definitely had it, huh?
She looked like a ghoul. They keep telling me my time is coming.
Okay, yeah, they all have the tattoos. So.
It does. I won't feel like a member of this family.
Bam.
It's a family thing.
That's right. Now, this is some bullshit.
Hey, you really want me to lose my religion tonight, huh? Now, baby, I know that's the adrenaline rush from the kids, but you better watch your language in my house. Hear me?
Yeah, he better.
You can talk about your favorite service club there. You.
Oh yeah, I get those vibes from him.
Can I please tell him to go to hell?
Yeah, sure, if you got somewhere else to live. Right.
He doesn't sell. I wonder how this cover is work. Are they actually supposed to show up for work? Oh yeah, because he said he was punching the clarity, so they show up for work. And they get paid.
What's up? You're alive? I was beginning to wonder.
Just been busy.
You know how
I don't know who get, do they
Is
get
that
paid by the
before
guild
I found
too?
another girl and spent all my time making out with her behind the gym.
Yeah, right.
You can. I'll call you later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that X is gonna show up back again. He's gonna show up in a future episode, and there's gonna be some conflict. Definitely. That's why I said it. That's why I was setting it up.
Because there's a feeling you get when a monster's breath eases up your nostrils. There's a warning prickle on the back of your neck. So pretend all you want.
Oh, she knows she's a monster. Ah, okay.
Human. But I know exactly what you are. Daywalker. Why else would you need these? Nearer, the cloud field curved.
Smart. She paid attention in her lessons. Oh, did she deliberately drop the syllable? Yep, she did. Like I thought she did. She deliberately dropped it.
And there's only one way this story ends. Cheers.
So she thinks there is not one way this story is gonna end. If the writers are any good.
There are only 3 rules for being a great hunter.
There are only 3 rules for your first kill. Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Keep your head on.
Keep your head on.
Be prepared for anyone.
Be prepared for anyone.
Be prepared for anything. And always finish what you start.
Okay. Interesting way to end that first episode. Oh yeah, I think I did see in this thing where the steak doesn't kill them, and okay, so the bite was real. So that wasn't a dream part. But the steak doesn't kill them, so Juliet's gonna still be alive, and then Calliope, that the bite that wasn't deep enough to kill her. So yes, they know from the jump now what each other are. But Calliope, she figured it out already. But now Juliet's gonna figure it out when she gets stabbed through the heart with a stake. I mean, you gotta figure it out then. So okay, interesting. So moving very quickly with them finding out stuff. So they kiss, episode 1, and at the end of episode 1, they both find out one's a vampire, the other's a hunter. Well, they didn't go through like 2-3 episodes before they each found out. So interesting tactic that. But yeah, overall, decent first episode. Got some introductions to the families and to the like the whole mythos around the hunters and the vampires. So we see that Juliet causes our family first. Mother, father, I think that's her sister. And they're doing, the parents are trying to do the best to like impart on Juliet that she needs to make the kill, because she's gonna lose control soon, and she's just gonna lose control and have no lose control and have no direction into who she's killing. She's just gonna do it randomly. Okay, that's not good. We see Eleanor. She's kind of a bit of a wild child. Where she's buying into the whole thing, the whole tradition thing, but she's kind of bucking up against it a little bit. Where she's her own person, but she's still following up, but she wants to do her own thing, kind of thing like that. And Juliet, she also wants to do her own thing. She doesn't want to kill and be a vampire, like, so she's trying to fight it. And so she's been taking pills to like remain calm, but not like, because it's time for her to make the kill. Because of her age and stuff, that pills aren't working anymore, and so it's really tough on her. She needs to do something. And also she's got a friend, Ben. He's gay, and he's a star athlete, and he's popular, and she's popular by association. They also saw some other like characters at the school. I'm not sure how important they'll be yet, so I'm not gonna focus on them right now. Now we move to Calliope. She has 2 older brothers, Theseus, right? Theseus and Apollo. Mother, father, and we see when they're moving, they were moving the sage of the house with the whole ritual. They have a ritual and thing, and they are part of some guild and they have like cover jobs and all that. And their brothers are experienced hunters. But they were saying something about the Guild Academy, that he wants to go to the Guild Academy. So even though they're experienced hunters, there's more learning to do for them. I don't know. Interesting. And Calliope, she had a chance to make her first kill as a hunter last winter, but she messed up, and so parents are like bringing her back, and so her brothers, when she goes on missions with them, they let her be lookout, and she's not supposed to get involved. Obviously, like on that mission she went to, she that almost messed up because she thought it was a ghoul, a third ghoul, but no, it was a vampire, and so she went in totally unprepared for that. And almost got herself killed, but luckily her brothers, because they had finished what they were doing, they spotted it at the same time, so lucky for her for that. And this we got introduced to Calliope's ex, who already made her first kill. And so I'm sure she's gonna show up again. I don't remember what the ex's name was, but she'll be back. So I remember it. I'll know it then. And then we ended up so with them at the party, and the spin the bottle, the stab, and the bag. Okay. Alright, so it sets it up nicely for episode 2. Decent first episode, sets us up, and looking forward to what happens next. Alright, so see you next time. Bye.